Matt here, Air Force Roofing, Pompano Beach, Florida, doing a dimensional re-roof. Roof is tin tag, shingle in progress, ready for inspections tomorrow. This is Matt with Air Force Roofing. I'm in sunny Pompano Beach. We just got done a metal roof along with a flat. Just wanted to show you guys what's going on. And then here's a beautiful Metal Alliance sandstone. Beautiful color. Turned out great. Alright, see you guys at the next one. Have a great weekend. There she is. See you guys at the next one.